JupConnect. Get connected, see results. The JupConnect app, powered by SeeClickFix, helps residents find information, submit and track service requests, and follow requests entered by other users. The JupConnect app makes submitting a service request or getting information from town staff fast and easy. To get started, download the free JupConnect app through the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. To submit a new request, click the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. You will be asked if you would like to submit a photo with your request. You can take a new photo, access a photo from your photo library, or opt not to include a photo. Next, type in the address or simply drag the map marker to the desired location. Click the Next in the upper right-hand corner to proceed. Now choose a category that best matches your request and click Next. On the ensuing screen, provide a brief description. You can also select a subcategory that most closely matches your request. When you're finished with the details, click the Submit button and send your request to the town. Your request will be sent to the appropriate department and will be updated as progress is made. Thank you for helping to improve the community and the town of Jupiter. JupConnect. Get connected, see results.